Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Coding Without Knowing Coding. This is Ruby. Today I'm going to teach you operations in Java. So what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that performs an operation on some variables called operands to get the desired result. For example, x plus y equals to z. Here x and y are operators and plus is operand and z is the result. Operators can be divided into the following groups: arithmetic, assignment, bitwise, relational, conditional, logical, instance of, new, and cast. So these are the types of operators. Arithmetic operators involves the operations in which addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulus assignment, decrement, etc. So these are the arithmetic operators. In this slide, we'll be talking about shorthand assignment operators. For example, we want to do some addition operations on variable 1 and variable 2. So we can write it as variable 1 equals to variable 1 plus variable 2, or in short, variable 1 plus equals to variable 2. Similarly, we can write for other operations like minus operations, multiplications, division, and modulus operator. Now we come to the bitwise operators. So bitwise operators has like bitwise unary, not, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, shift right, zero fill, shift left, bitwise and assignment, bitwise or assignment. Now relational operator. So relational operator has equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So that is for relational operator. Now conditional or ternary operator. Since it acts on three variables, so it is called ternary operator. It is also called as conditional operator. It takes three operands, a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is true, followed by colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is false. This operator is frequently used as an alternative to if-else statement. In simple words, we can say if expression 1 is true, variable equals to expression 2, else variable equals to expression 3. Next is logical operators. So logical operators has logical and, logical or, logical XOR, logical not, equal to, ternary, if then else, etc. Now we come to the operator instance of. It is used to test whether an object belongs to a class or not. It can also be used to check if an object belongs to an interface or not. Syntax is like Boolean, variable equals to object, instance of class. So here we can check, like for example, std is an instance of student class or not. If it is, then Boolean p will come as true, otherwise as false. Now we come to new operator. It is used to create objects to classes. Syntax is like class name object equals to new class name. We take an example like student std equals to new student, where std is object of the student class. Now we come to the cast operator. It is used to convert one data type to another data type. So when we are converting or assigning one data type to another data type, they might not be compatible. If it is suitable, then it will do smoothly. Otherwise, chances of data loss is there. There are two types of casting, widening casting and narrowing casting. In widening casting, it is implicitly happens, that is automatic type conversion. And in narrowing casting, we need to explicitly convert it. So for example, in widening casting, we want to convert int x equals to 9 into double. So we need to convert it as double y equals to x. So automatically it will cast int variable into double variable. Whereas in narrowing casting, for example, if x is a double type data, which has value 9.78d, then we need to do int y equals to int x. So we need to do manually double to int. So it is like from coming from double to int. Now we come to the precedence of operators. That is the last slide for today's session. There are certain rules of precedence which are first contains inside the braces such as small bracket, big bracket will be executed. Then increment and decrement operator. Then multiplication, division and modulus. Then plus and minus operator. Next will be relational operators are executed. Then Boolean and bitwise operators, then logical operators, and then conditional operators, and at last assignment operators are executed. Now we come to the review questions. There are two questions. Please choose the correct options and write in the comment section. Thank you for watching the session.